Morning everybody. It's Renee here. It's my last video. And I am making garden vegetable borscht, which is soup that it's got beets and cabbage and carrots and 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm sniffing a bunch of garlic right now. It smells awesome. Onion. So all your nice winter veggies are in there. Everything, it's a nice easy recipe. So all of this stuff, the onion, garlic, carrots, and beets are all chopped up already. And I'm going to add those to my soup pot, which is right here, with some oil, and cook everything till it's tender. When that happens, then I'm going to toss in some cabbage and some spinach, and a can of diced tomatoes and some broth. And let everything cook till it's nice and soft, and that's pretty much it. So it looks like we're having borscht for lunch today. I think it's going to be really good, and just a super simple recipe, but it uses like 4 or 5 things from your winter vegetables. So it's an awesome one, and it's a simple one, so enjoy. Check it out, everything's already turning purple. Hi. I'm gonna do a little cutting demo in case there's any youthful people watching this video, or people who aren't really comfortable with cooking. And if I was allowed to have a soundtrack for it, which YouTube will only do, except for the one I import, I would be playing This Is How We Do It, because that's the best song anyone has ever made to play while you're showing someone how to do something. Alright, demo time. Alright folks, so the soup's almost, we're getting on the last part of it. So it's been cooking in the pot for a little while. It smells really good in here. It smells like garlic and onions and all those good things. So I've got a big can of diced tomatoes, and I've got, this is vegetable stock, got it at Ray's Market. And then I've got spinach and cabbage, and this is all just going in the pot. I'm just gonna cook until like everything's soft and tasty, and and that's it. Like, this recipe is so easy, it's the best. So let's put this stuff in the pot, shall we? So I put everything in here, and but there's, as you can, it's like, can you see this? There's like no liquid. So I'm probably gonna let it cook for a little bit, see if it cooks down. I might have to add some more broth or something to it, but I'll let you know what I do. My kids are in school, so I'm gonna make this quick, but in case you were wondering, the soup came out awesome. It's really, really good. You can taste the beets and the tomatoes and the cabbage all go together. And I highly recommend the sour cream. If I had had the horseradish, I definitely would have put it in. I think it would have given it a little bit of zip. But it's great soup. I ended up putting it in my crock pot so I could leave it on the counter and for the day. And yeah, it's great soup. This is my last video for this series, so it's been nice cooking with you, and I hope you learned some good recipes. And you can access all the old videos at the library's YouTube page, so if you want to remember one or whatever, you can just check them out there. And take it easy, everyone. Take care.